Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not giving Robux. First, let's ensure your purchase went through correctly. Always double-check your payment method for a successful transaction. Next, confirm you are signed into the exact Roblox account where the Robux were intended. Sometimes, simply being on the wrong account is the issue. Finally, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable, as a poor connection can sometimes delay updates. It is common for Robux to experience a slight delay before appearing in your account. This can range from a few minutes to sometimes up to 24 hours, especially during peak times. To verify, navigate to your Robux transaction history within the Roblox platform. Here, you can see if your purchase is listed as pending or successfully completed. Patience is key, but always confirm the status. If your Robux still haven't appeared, let's try some advanced troubleshooting. First, fully close the Roblox application or your web browser, then reopen it. This can refresh your session. Next, log out of your Roblox account entirely and then sign back in. This often forces an account update. Finally, clear your device's cache and cookies for Roblox, which can resolve display issues. If all previous steps fail, it is time to contact Roblox support directly. Before reaching out, gather all relevant purchase information, such as transaction ID, dates, and amounts. This will significantly speed up the process. Visit the official Roblox support website and submit a detailed ticket. Their dedicated team will investigate your issue, and you can typically expect a response within 1 to 3 business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.